another threat that has been received from a same email ID. This flight is 6E1422 from Sharjah to Hyderabad, and there has been a threat message that has now been given. As far as when it comes to another threat that is coming in from the same email ID, Hina will help us understand exactly what this threat email says. Hina.
Well, this is quite serious because it's a specific threat that has come from an email ID. We reported about one incident in the morning that was for a flight from Medina to Hyderabad that had to be diverted to Ahmedabad. Now, from the same email ID, what we have learned from sources is that this Hyderabad-bound flight has got another threat. It also says that there is a human IED on board, and this is very, very serious because, you know, no such threats can be taken lightly. This is a Sharjah to Hyderabad flight that is currently mid-air. We're talking about flight 6E1422. It's an Indigo flight from Sharjah to Hyderabad, and this very specific threat has come. So threat also has specific levels. If it mentions some specific information, then it is classified as a specific threat. And if a specific threat comes from any plane or any other region, then there are certain protocols that are followed. And in this particular case, what we have learned from sources, Amita, is that the authorities are trying to divert this particular flight to Mumbai, but they're also still trying to figure out the source of this email, trying to verify the details, because once a plane in this situation lands, it is taken to the isolation bay. Passengers are there in the plane for at least 7-8 hours till everybody is checked properly. It is not given out for clearance. So it's a lengthy process that follows after such a threat receives, and it's a serious issue. Second threat email coming in from same email ID to Hyderabad bound flights. And
this is still mid-air, so we are speaking of flight 6E1422 Sharjah Hyderabad flight that we are looking at. One more threat coming from the same email, and of course, when it comes to the nature of such threats, none of them can be taken lightly, as we are told that the authorities are probing the matter. Hina, thank you very much for getting us those details. With that, we head into a very short break. You're watching Times Now.
Your ultimate destination for global voices.
Are there days when you feel